My name is Terence, and this presentation will begin by describing the learning experience I had while taking this module. I will then go on to describe the challenges I faced during it and how I overcame them, and finally I'll go on to describe how this module has benefited my future career. To this module, I had some knowledge of two coding languages, Python and DAX. Python I knew how to use just within Microsoft Excel and had never used it outside of it. However, I had used DAX a lot within the bounds of my employment and was therefore very comfortable with it. This knowledge of DAX was very helpful as it has a lot of similarities with Python as it's a logic-based code as well. The module helped with expanding my knowledge of DAX due to its similarities with Python, which further helped in my employment. And in the same manner, my existing knowledge of DAX helped me with understanding the concepts of the module more easily, as well as helping me learn how to use Python more effectively. As I had little knowledge of Python on its own, it was difficult for me to learn how to use it outside of Excel. However, the reading materials supported me with this and helped me learn how to use it effectively on its own. Overall, I would say I adapted well to the challenges that I faced within the module and learned a lot more than I would have had I not faced these challenges. In this module, I would say I had a good learning experience overall. One positive aspect of what I did was to work on the tasks week by week. Another positive aspect was that I applied my existing knowledge of Python and other coding languages in order to learn in a more effective manner. One aspect of what I could have done better though was that I could have tried to go even further beyond what I already knew in order to learn more about the module and its applications within the financial services sector. As well as this, I could have gone more out of my way in order to learn even more than what was just within the module itself, in order to get a better rounded knowledge of Python as a whole. Overall, I would say I gained a lot from the module itself, and it helped to solidify the knowledge that I already had with regards to Python, as well as expanding that knowledge and creating new areas of knowledge regarding Python. The module has had a positive effect on my future career, as it has allowed me to say on my CV to employers that I have some level of knowledge of Python, which is a desirable skill to have in the financial services sector, due to its application in automating processes either by itself or within applications like Microsoft Excel. As well as this, an employer, knowing that I have a working knowledge of Python, will be able to assume that I'd be able to quickly pick up low-code automation tools such as Power BI or Alteryx. And as these tools are of high value in the financial services sector, this will have a positive effect on my career. Both of these facts will allow me to have more opportunities than I would have access to without having taken this module.